Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best bait casting fishing reel on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Hybo Arise bait casting fishing reel and why it's perfect for microfishing. Let's get started. Product features: AMC Plus, Adaptive Magnetic Damping, reduces spool start weight to just 0.6 G, improving sensitivity and control. Perfect for delicate bait presentations and precise casting in small rivers or streams. Hybo Core 2.0 Gear System Pro ensures smooth, reliable operation with robust copper gears, balancing durability and seamless rotation for effortless retrieval and long-lasting performance. Ultra-lightweight design. The Pro Plus model weighs only 175 grams while retaining strong components, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions without compromising performance. Stainless steel mainframe. Elite model features a metal mainframe paired with AMC Plus damping, weighing only 149 grams, offering a perfect mix of strength, lightness, and precise handling. Refined brake and clicker system. Enhanced braking and clicker mechanisms provide improved feedback, allowing anglers to fine-tune drag, control spool speed, and enjoy a smoother casting experience. Microfishing ready. Supports light bait weights as low as 1 gram, making it ideal for streams, urban rivers, or any environment requiring high precision and subtle lure presentation. Durable and versatile construction. Combines lightweight design with robust gears and corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring reliable performance in both freshwater and urban fishing conditions. Pros: ultra-lightweight and ergonomic, sensitive for microfishing, smooth and durable gear system, advanced magnetic damping, precise braking, versatile in multiple fishing environments, and robust construction. Cons: premium materials and advanced features make it more expensive than standard bait casting reels, and beginners may need time to master the delicate microfishing techniques. Final thoughts: the Hybo Arise bait casting fishing reel is ideal for anglers who value sensitivity, precision, and lightweight performance. Its advanced design and durable construction make it perfect for subtle waters and delicate casts. Upgrade your microfishing game today. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more high-performance fishing gear reviews.